Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Lil Jen, aka MC Gelfling. I'm about to take you on a little journey. Raise up your glasses, y'all, and get ready for the story of the dog, Crystal.
What's up, guys? It's Chamblizi of YouTube.com. Our headlight should be coming in today. I'm gonna run you through the tutorial of removing the headlight. If you ran into the same problem that I did, I should help you fix that. The proper way to take out your headlight is to take your grill out. So this is our grill right here. It has it's like either hex screws or something like that, or star screws, whatever you want to call it. It's 6 of them all along the grill. There's one right there, if you can see that, and there's one right there, one right there, one right here, one right here, one right there, one right there. My mistake, guys. 8 screws, 4 for each side, from the centerpiece, 4 on each side. So here we've got the wiring. This is the retainer that the original light came in, and it was actually busted out. I couldn't get the whole damn thing out, so I just busted the light completely out and finally find out and that was correct the first time. It's actually 4 bolts. You take out your side marker. There's one right there, the bolts like that, and then there's 2 right here. You take out your bolts. As you can see, this is how the rack goes in. You put your 4 bolts back in after you get your new light in. It's going to be a while before the part gets here. I'm estimating around 5:20 that the part gets in. It's kind of rainy outside, so I think I ought to tuck these wires in. By the way, this is the Cutlass 1987 Ciera, and it's by Oldsmobile, and it's a 3.8 liter. My vehicle's looking a little blind right now. It's that new side marker we got in the other day. It's not quite exact identical. I think it's remanufactured because this one has more of a shape to it. As you can see, I'm going to take some sandpaper and sand this off. I had to fix this one. Well, I'll check back at you guys when I get the part in. What's up, guys? It's Chamblizi of YouTube.com, and I've got my headlight in. This is the new headlight. As you can see, that's decent right there. Brand new, remake. I already did the prep work. I got the grill out. It's a 8-bolt grill. This is that side marker we got in last time. Now we're going to be putting in this light. It may take a little while, so I'm going to talk to you later a little bit. Alright, we got the headlight set in. Time to do the final work. Let's unlock the door here and pop the hood. Yeah, feels good to get this headlight in. Alright, there's no good angles, so I'm gonna have to sit. Alright, let me see here. Perfect fit. There we go. Right in place, guys. We've got the headlight in. We just gotta bolt it up. Alright guys, we're finished up on that. We just got to put the grill on now. Excuse the darkness, I kind of had a lost a tool. We've got the new one in. We're going to test that up after we put our grill in. 1 second, let me put this back up here. Up, it's upside down. Alright. I'm going to start our first screw. Let's see. Alright, this is our screw. Right there. Since I can't find the original tool that I used to put on here, we're going to use flathead. Alright. Just trying to get it started. Alright, there's number 1 in there. And number 2 coming up. The results are in. Alright guys, first time I'm trying with this new headlight on. We're going to cut it on and show you the results. Now keep in mind, here's one of the headlights that was not replaced. This is the one that was replaced. Working good and strong. Got the grill back on here. You need to put in side marker bulbs because those are shot. Yeah. Now we're going to show you the high beams. And our high beams shining nice and bright. Back to a car now. Next time we're going to show you how to pop out the rest of a dent. Peace.
Hey! You got a real long reach in the derrick when he leans. He's been all around the world on the big old rigs with the welders and the trucks on the black gold rush and the diesel burning cat motors growling in the mud. You better hire him on, he's the roughest neck around. He got the power in his hands to pull the dragons from the ground, yeah.